Hello everyone, in this series of video, BNS vs IPC, today, I will be discussing Section 14 of the BNS and corresponding Section 76 of the Indian Penal Code, IPC. Both sections describe when an individual acts under the belief that they are bound by law, and how the law treats such situations. In other words, both sections deal with acts done under a perceived legal obligation or a mistake of fact. This is a key legal defense, ensuring that people acting in good faith are not unjustly held criminally responsible. Now, let's understand the core principle. Both Section 14 of the BNS and corresponding Section 76 of the IPC talk about situations where someone does something they believe they are legally required to do, either because they were under a mistaken belief about the facts, not about the law, or they acted in good faith, meaning their actions were honest and without wrongful intent. In simple terms, if someone mistakenly believes they have to perform an act because of certain facts, and those facts later turn out to be incorrect, but they acted in good faith, the law protects them from being prosecuted. Now, focus on the text of the sections. IPC Section 76. Nothing is an offense if it is done by a person who is, or who by reason of a mistake of fact, and not by mistake of law, in good faith believes themselves to be bound by law to do it. BNS Section 14 literally uses same language. There is no change at all. Now, let's discuss the key elements of the provision. The first one is, mistake of fact, not law. This defense only applies when the person made a mistake about the facts, not the law itself. For example, if a police officer arrests someone believing the person has committed a crime based on false information, mistake of fact, they are not at fault. But if the officer acts based on an incorrect understanding of the law, mistake of law, this defense does not apply. Second one is, good faith. The person must have acted with honest intention. If they knew the facts were incorrect or acted carelessly, this defense does not work. Likewise, the objective is to protect individuals from punishment when they genuinely believe they are doing the right thing, based on factual misunderstandings, not legal misinterpretations. Now, have some real-life examples. Example 1. Imagine a soldier is ordered to shoot at an approaching figure during a combat situation. The soldier believes the person is an enemy based on their uniform, a mistake of fact. However, it turns out the person was a civilian wearing similar clothing. Since the soldier believed in good faith that they were bound by law to follow orders, they may not be held liable under these sections. Example 2. A police officer confiscates property believing the person they are taking it from is a thief, based on a mistaken identity, mistake of fact. If this belief was in good faith, the officer may not be criminally liable. Now, the question is, what are importance and implications? This provision serves an important role in balancing justice and fairness. It ensures that people are not wrongfully punished for acts done under honest mistakes of fact. But, at the same time, they limit this defense by excluding mistakes of law. This encourages citizens to be aware of the law and not claim ignorance as an excuse. So, it can be concluded as Section 14 of the BNS and Section 76 of the IPC are virtually identical in their language and intent. Both sections provide a legal defense for individuals who perform acts under the belief that they are bound by law, either due to a legal obligation or a mistake of fact. The illustrations included in both codes further clarify situations where this defense would apply, such as following a lawful order or making an arrest based on a genuine mistake. The consistency between these two sections ensures continuity in legal interpretation and application, even as the BNS introduces a new legal framework for India. By maintaining this alignment, the BNS upholds the established legal principles that have been foundational in the IPC, while also reinforcing the importance of acting in good faith and within the bounds of legal authority. That is all for this video. Hope you understood the provision, with comparative analysis clearly. However, if you have any query, you can ask through the comment box given below. And, if you liked the video, and want more such interesting videos, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.